Ground beef and cheese with pasta makes an inexpensive and very tasty and quick and simple meal. One pot, just keep adding stuff. So, get on board. Let's cook. Start by cutting up an onion into small pieces. Now a bit of oil into the pan. Let the onion saute for a couple of minutes. I use this deep, wide pan to reduce spatter, especially in a small kitchen. The cover really helps. For 2 servings, I'm going to use 1/3 of a pound of extra lean ground beef. The leaner, the less fat, the less I have to drain anything. I'm going to add these pretty cherry tomatoes to add color and flavor. I'm just going to cut them in half so the juices flow. The whole ingredients list is at the end. Please, stick around. Let the meat brown for a couple minutes. Very scientific timing here. And add the tomatoes. And let that simmer for 2 minutes. And while that's frying, cut up 4 ounces of mushrooms into thick slices. And add that to the pan. A tablespoon of garlic powder, for more of a tomato flavor, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I like the kind that comes in a tube because it's easy to use just as much as you need and put the rest back. I'm going to cook the pasta right in the same pan with everything else, so I need enough liquid to cover it. 2 cups of beef broth should do it. Two tablespoons of Worcester sauce add even more flavor, but totally optional. Now, a taste test, and get the broth boiling. Add a cup of pasta. I love bite-sized pasta, such as this rotini. Make sure the pasta is covered so that it cooks properly. A tablespoon of salt, more or less, to taste. Stir it often. If there's not enough liquid, add a bit more broth. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning, or even just plain oregano if that's all you have. Let's see if it's done yet. Not quite. Try again. Now it's done. Add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. The grocery store variety is great regardless of what some people say. Stir that in well so the cheese melts. And serve. Garnish with a bit more cheese. And even a bit of parsley for a shot of color. Enjoy! That was great. Spirally noodles with beef and cheese. Yummy! Ingredients: 1 onion, a 1/3 pound ground beef, 4 ounces of cherry tomatoes, 4 ounces of mushrooms, oil, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 cups beef broth, 2 tablespoons Worcester sauce, 1 cup pasta, 1 tablespoon salt to taste, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese.